we see in the Gaudiya fold that many of the greatest devotees, they're Goswamis or they're Grihastas, and it's unfortunate the Maryada is not Maryada means conduct and behavior and attitudes of the Vaishnavas is not very proper. Oftentimes there's a condescending attitude of Babajis and Sannyasis to look down on Grihastas. Say, oh, you're just a useless Grihasta, you're an attached householder. I've heard these terms as I pass my years in this spiritual line. And the general mood in different, not only in sannyasis in different groups, but also in Babajis, is very condescending and looking down on Grihastas. But just by what you're saying, your intense bhajan, it shows a great degree of devotion and surrender and elevation of consciousness. So no one knows who's who in devotional standing. So therefore the motto for everyone is to respect everyone, honor everyone, and we're supposed to be Trinada Pisanichana. But oftentimes in a society or in a large group of devotees, you find this general attitude. Maybe you've even experienced it sometimes as Grihastas.
We try to, Maharaj, be little
away.
Because somebody knows.
Yeah, if you want to do bhajan, you want to progress, it's best to stay alone.
We used to chant in Prabhupada quarters, but we find that much like they see what they don't feel nice, so we change the place and.
No, there's Tulsi, near Tulsi, or Gurudev. All these pictures and pictures of Gurudev and Guru Parampara. The environment is, the first asan. Yoga has 8 steps, yes. And the first is asan. So asan means means place. Stapana.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhajan stapana. This is my bhajan stali. You ever hear this term, bhajan stali? Yes. Stali means lilas. Stali means place.
Yes.
It means place. So asan, yama niyama. Okay, that's the regular principles. Yama niyama, asan, pranayam, pratyahara, dharana, etc. It goes on like this. So the asana is very important. So Prabhupada's house. Prabhupada, that's very nice. But if you're finding it not anukulya for your bhajan, then you go where it's anukulya.
No, we're chanting in Sanatana Goswami.
If I lived in Vrindavan, yes, I would be at all these kind of places. It's not. It used to be one of the best, most peaceful and quiet places in all of nearby Vrindavan to Raman Reti was Sanatana Goswami's Bhajan Kutir. Yeah. Or excuse me, well, on the hill, on the top there is Bhajan Kutir. I guess in the bottom, that's his samadhi there. But the samadhi place is very peaceful.